Alright, so in this week's meeting we concluded that since there's three different groups working on Moodle plugins, we decided to just mesh all three of these different projects together, and they include this polling system module that Kwong and I are currently working on. I believe Aaron Hunter is working on the iClicker system, and I know we have Henry working on, I believe it was the note taking. So we're just gonna mesh them all into one, I guess you could call it meta module. And we're gonna change the name to call it SimulcastLectures, and then append our module to the end of it. So basically what that means for this feedback module is we're gonna have to alter its current structure. So if we look at the old version of it, this would be our old installed XML file. Let me just open it. You'll see something like this. You'll see for the table name you have feedback underscore template. You also have feedback underscore item. So the way that Moodle has it is it's kind of standard to label your tables with a prefix of your module name underscore and then some meaningful name for that table. So our job, what Kwong and I have to do now, is go through all of the files that are included in this feedback module and change these names that appear as feedback, and we're going to call it, I believe we decided on simulcast underscore lectures, and then append our feedback, or in this case I think we're going to say polling system, or maybe just poll. We actually have it. I'm going to show you right now, but that's what we're going to change everything to. So what we have so far is we did alter our module. We did alter our DB file. Just close everything else real quickly. So if you look into our install.xml file, we were able to change these. So yeah, we called it simulcast lectures poll. So you see how before it would just say feedback and feedback underscore template. So now we're altering all these to have this prefix instead. And our job is to go through every file that had the old table names, and we have to change them to this new one. And that is not so difficult, just going to be tedious. So we have to go through all of these files, all of those.